a small incident with y'all that happened with me and what's up you guys, I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinamshi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. Ta-da-da-da-da. So guys, today's video is something very exciting and I'm sure a lot of you all were waiting for it. So guess what's today's video about? Any guesses? Okay, well, so today's video is about H&M shopping haul because there was a sale going on and I've shopped a lot in the last few days. So I want to show you all that. And I also want to share a small incident with y'all that happened with me at H&M twice and I was very frustrated with it. So I shot a whole video explaining y'all the whole thing in H&M itself. So watch the video till the end because I'm going to share my personal experience and incident and I don't want that this happens with y'all. So yeah, let's get started. Also, download the app Letty Shops to earn cashbacks and all the links are in the description box below. So the very first thing that I got from H&M, and trust me, I entered and when I saw it, I decided to buy it irrespective of the price, but luckily it's very much worth it, are these silver glittery shimmery color cycling shorts. So basically you can pair it up with a nice black jacket and high boots and go for clubbing or for parties also. You can also wear it as a normal casual outfit by wearing a nice white color long t-shirt on it and good shoes. So original price of this is 400 rupees, but I got it for 300 rupees because I told you all that the sale was going on, and the size that I got is medium. Trust me, a lot of Indians don't prefer wearing things like this, but I genuinely loved it and I decided that I'm gonna wear it. So I was like, you Hinanshi, you have to take it. So this was the first thing, and this is, I'll say, the most favorite thing that I have got and one of the most unique thing in my wardrobe currently. The second thing that I got is this grey color crop tee for casual wear and stuff. So you can pair it up with nice black denims or white denims. You can even wear it at home if you all want. You can even wear it when you go out. So basically it's like a college wear kind of thing, or just like, you know, when you meet your friends or something. So I got it for 400 rupees only, and I think yeah, it's pretty much worth it because I've already got a lot of crop tees from H&M earlier and they work really well. So yeah. So the next thing that I got are these very good green color cycling shorts. I'm in love with cycling shorts lately because they look really cool. So you call it cycling shorts, and you can pair these cycling shorts with a long white t-shirt, a bum bag and white sneakers. And also you can wear a cap in order to look really cool. So these are really comfortable shorts. I've already worn it once and yeah, they are very comfortable. The price for this is 800 rupees and the size that I've got is a medium size. The reason I bought it is because it's unique. It's something that I genuinely want to try since a very long time when it comes to cycling shorts and all. The material is thick and also yeah, I like the color and that's it. So I am not quite a fond of H&M accessories because I feel that they are highly rated and the price is too much. But this time when I had gone, I got these beautiful hair scarf which you can tie around your head or your neck and style it up with basic outfits. So the reason that I got this is because the original price is 799, but I got it for 149 rupees. So like I got two hair scarves for 149 rupees, and the only reason that I got it is because it was on discount. Usually 800 रुपये का होता है और मेरे को 150 में पड़ा है. So 300 में I got 4 hair scarves and I really loved them and I wanted this since very long. So I thought that 150 rupees is fine. So the very next product that I got is this hairband that I'm wearing in the whole video. So the original price was around 500 to 600, but I got this for just 150 rupees and I'm glad that I got it for 150. I know that you get these hairbands in Colaba for like a 100 rupees, but I genuinely wanted to buy one, and getting one for 150 rupees in H&M was pretty much worth it. It's soft, it looks good, you can pair it up with anything, it's comfortable also, so you don't have to get it removed again and again, and yeah, I feel it's really nice. I got these puffed sleeves red color crop t-shirt, which is like you know, party wear t-shirt and a very beautiful color. So the price that I got it for is 800 rupees without sale, but I really feel that it's worth it because the color is good, the style is amazing, it has elastic on its back so there's no problem of fitting and all, and also it looks good. So yeah, The next one is this cute t-shirt that I got for one of my friend who is very slim, that's why XS size. It's a round neck t-shirt and 100% cotton. The best part is about the whole tying system that they have given, which goes on the back, and it looks pretty good as y'all can already see. So I got this for 800 rupees, which I think is a bit much. But I feel that the style, the quality and the material is nice, and I wanted to give it to my friends, so why not? So I got this thing. So H&M really has a good collection of denims and a good variety of denims and bottoms, but I personally don't prefer to buy from H&M when it comes to bottoms and all, because I'm very selective about my bottoms. But for the friend that I got the white t-shirt, I got a super skinny high waist pants for her. So if y'all are thinking that Hinanshi ki kamar itni hai, nahi, Hinanshi is not this much, and this is not for Hinanshi, but I just wanted to show y'all because it's really nice, the color, the quality of the product. And the best part is that the pants are for just 1500 rupees, and H&M has a huge variety of pants. So when I had gone, I had seen that there were pants starting from 799 and going up to 2300 or 400, and right now they're having sales, so you all should definitely go check out their denims. And yeah. Okay, so I told you all I'm not a person who would buy accessories from a brand because I just don't feel that it's so much worth. But yet this time I got a lot of things from H&M in accessories section, and this is the first ever belt that I have personally bought in my life, because I'm not a person who loves wearing belt or who is very much comfortable in wearing belt. So for the first time I got this belt, which was originally for 1000 rupees, but because there was a discount going on, I got it for 799 only. And yeah, I'm really loving it, and I've already worn it. Actually, I worn it today only because I'd gone out. So it looks good, it's comfortable, and it's black, so it goes on all the outfits. And yeah, or you can also use the belt on t-shirt dresses, or plain color t-shirts or plain color dresses, and just style it up with a nice black belt and black shoes, boots, or a bag and all. So it will look really cute. So now it's time that you all see the video which I was talking about, that I was very irritated and what happened with me in H&M, and I genuinely want to share this story with you all. So here's the video. So guys, currently I'm at H&M, and I wanted this thing which is originally for 2300. It had a sticker over here of 399. So I wanted to take it for 399. When I went at the billing section, they told me it's for 699. After some time, when I complained, they tell me it's for 999. And then I fought for it and I took it for 399. The fact being, last time, hardly 3 days back, I took a shirt which original price was 799, but it had a sticker of 499. So I took it, and when I went for the billing, they told me 799. I paid for it. I left from H&M. Then I entered back. I went on the second floor to just check if it's 799 or 499, and they tell me it's 499, and they gave me 300 refund. I just want to say that how many times they might have done this mistake with other people. So guys, I want to keep you all updated with this thing, that every time that they're telling you all that this sticker is wrong and this and that, go check it out. Last but not the least, I am sure you guys have already seen what happened with me. So I decided to buy this for my younger brother who is 10 years old, and I genuinely loved it. The reason I took it was because it had a 399 label on it, but then the whole scene happened. But in the end, after talking to the manager and all, they really looked into the matter, and yeah, I was frustrated, but I'm very satisfied that they apologized for whatever happened and they gave it to me in 399. Just the thing that I cannot exchange or return it. I was very disappointed at a point because 399 का sticker था, उसके बाद वो लोग ने मुझे 699 बोला, then a person removes it and they tell me it's 999, online it's for 2000, and I was very annoyed because the same thing happened with me 4 days back with the shirt, and luckily I rechecked, and yeah, I realized that it was for 499 only, and I got my money back. In case if I wouldn't have rechecked, I would have lost 300 rupees. I'm nowhere saying that the H&M people are trying to do a scam with us or something, but I just feel that there's a lot of misunderstanding that they are having, and they're not sure about their price or whatever it is. So we as customers, we as people who are buying, we should always recheck if we have any doubt, and we should always go and talk to the manager or the customer care service, and they'll definitely look into the matter, because they did look into my matter, and I got this for 399 only. Just the fact that abhi main isko return ya exchange nahi kar sakti hu. So this was the whole thing that happened, and I brought this for my brother, but it fits me, as you all can already see, and I look really cool, so I'm planning to wear this on the Halloween party. I mean, till then, if I don't get fat though. But apart from that, guys, this was all that I personally got from H&M. So there were these beautiful pants that I really loved, and I got it the moment I saw it for 1500 rupees. As you all can already see, I have already worn it once, but unfortunately the pants were not good. The quality of the pants was not good, and there was these cotton balls already removing. Like I wore it for like 2 hours or something, and cotton balls nikalne lag gaye the. So I had to go complain in H&M, and thankfully they decided and they told me that, ma'am, it's a defect piece and it's not your fault, so we're gonna exchange it for you, or refund, or whatever you all want. So that's what they did for me, and I had to give the pants back. There was no point buying the pant again because my friend took the same pant, और दोनों में सेम प्रॉब्लम हुआ, तो अगर मैं वापस लेती तो वही होता. But I really loved those pants and I genuinely wanted to keep them with me, but I couldn't keep them. So that was all that I got from H&M. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and let me know in the comment section if this video helped you all even a bit. And yeah, take care. Bye.